Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. This is a simple review for anyone comparing practical products without wasting time. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Space saving. The 7-tier design holds 28 pairs of shoes in just a 23.6-inch diameter footprint at 63.8 in height. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. 360 degrees rotatable for easy access. Spin to easily find any shoe or accessory on this Lazy Susan shoe rack without. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Sturdy construction. Made with PVC plastic, the shelves are wear-resistant for long-lasting use while remaining. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are cleaner home, time saver, and easy routine. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. A real customer review mentioned that it brief content visible, double tap to read full content. My simple verdict: the home cleaning find looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you like the video.